Thank you so much. Let's try to keep it and put it inside my head.
Of
Okay,
course.
what I want you can help me today. Can you evaluate my cold calling? Um, because I'm doing it, but I want to be sure that I'm doing everything
You've
correctly.
asked the last 4 times, and I say hop on the live streams, and now you're finally on the live stream.
I'm finally here. You
You
see?
learned it. So
Yeah.
awesome. I'd love to help you out with your cold calling. So let me
Okay.
see what you got.
Okay. What I want today, okay, you're gonna be in Jacksonville. You're gonna be a grumpy man. You wanna be
Easy.
just kill me, okay? You try to kill me there. So let's try to do this.
You're too
And
nice for this. All right.
let's
We'll
see
try.
what happens. Don't make me mad. Eh? I gonna do the way I think to
Okay.
do every day. So I wanna feel in my mood. So let's do this, okay? So I'm gonna call you. Ring ring.
Hello?
Hi, how are you?
Good. Who is this? What do you want?
Hi, how are you? My name is Candy.
What do you want?
I want to ask you some questions.
About what?
I was looking here in Silo, and I got across to your home. I was looking at the pictures of your home. You the owner of 123 Main Street?
Yeah.
Oh, I was looking through your pictures, and I really, really love the home. And I want to see if I'm lucky enough that your home is still for sale.
Who said my house is for sale?
I found it on Silo.
Okay.
And but I
What's the
can
price
see
on it?
the price in your phone is 279,500.
That's the price. Can you do that?
First, to talk about numbers, can you tell me a little bit more about your property?
I mean, didn't you read the description?
I did, but I really want to ask you. Your home is so beautiful. I saw in the front you have a beautiful flower bed, and I really, really love that. So you're taking really good care of your home.
I know. That's why it's worth a lot of money to me.
It looks like costs a lot of money. It's really nice. But what you can tell me about, because look, in the overview, I can see that your home is being for sale 185 days. So I want to know what is going on.
Everyone's giving me too low of an offers, and they don't understand the beauty of my art of my flower beds, and it's the most beautiful home ever. It's so nice. It's so delicate and modern, and it's got quite a chic to it that I don't believe the modern person understands. And someone will come by and pay that price that I want it for.
Who work in your yard? That's beautiful. You did
Myself.
That? Wow, you are doing a great job there. And in your backyard, you have the same? You have flowers, or only in the front yard?
Front and back.
Oh my God! Unfortunately in your pictures you don't show the backyard, but I love to see that backyard.
Yeah, it's a private garden.
Oh, okay. But I need more information. What you can tell me, like during these 185 days, you change anything on the home, the color, the roofing, the appliances, AC. You did, and this time you change anything on the home?
No. The only thing that changed is how beautiful the flowers are.
Oh, they are gorgeous. I can't wait to see that in person. And what do you think is taking so long for sale?
Say that again?
What do you think is taking too long and sell your home?
Nobody appreciates how beautiful the flowers are.
Nobody appreciates that?
No, that's why.
I do.
Yeah, so pay the price.
Do you want me to pay the... Not talk about... I want to talk about numbers with you. But you told me before the people is offering you too low. What do you mean with that? How low they offer you?
They offered me $150,000, and it was just so offended. I was so offended by it.
Why?
And they called my flowers nice and not beautiful, and I just kicked them out.
You kicked them out?
It was so offensive.
They not like the flowers?
It was bad. Cops came and everything.
Oh my God, that bad?
Yeah, they touched the flower. It was don't even want to get into it.
That is not nice. And what is the reason that they give you for the price?
They gave me $150,000 for it, but before I could even counter with them, the one guy gave some nasty side eye to my flowers, and I had to shove them, say, leave. Don't ever look at my flowers that way ever again. And that was it.
I think you did good there. That is good. And can you tell me where you get the price? The price that you give into the 279, how you get to that price?
Basically, I bought the house for $100,000 2 years ago. Okay. And I based how beautiful the flowers were. That flower's probably worth about $100,000, that bed. So 220 is my price, and that's how I came up with it.
220 or 279?
279, and then I had 50 for the flowers in the back.
Oh, I understand now.
Yeah.
Okay.
I love flowers.
Yeah, I can see that. It's beautiful. I'm pretty sure your wife
I
appreciates
think I'm
that
pretty
too.
reasonable about it.
Yes, you are. And I would love to match your price. I really, really love you to match your price. I don't know what my partner and I don't know what we do with this home. Probably rent it or keep it. How much you think your home, if I rent it, how much you think that big, how much you can get for the rent for your home?
I would say about 2,000 a month, probably.
2,000 a month. Then
Yeah.
there's in a nice neighborhood.
Oh, it's in a very nice neighborhood.
Schools close. For example, if a family want to have the first time buy the home for the first time, there's schools for the kids, parks around.
Yeah, there's good parks. There's not many kids nearby because, some kids, I don't want to pick up my flowers or anything. So I make sure I'm in a place where there's not too many kids.
Oh, I understand that. You know how kids you own, grandkids?
No, they'd mess with my flowers.
They mess your flowers.
I can never let them do that.
No, we don't want to let them do that. Look, we're talking and I don't even know your name. What is your name?
My name is Zach.
Hey, Zach, how are you? How you prefer for me to call you, Zach or Mr. Zach?
Mr. Flowers, please.
Mr. Flowers? Okay, Mr. Flowers. Awesome. Look, Mr. Flowers, if I bought this home, honestly, I will be renting the home. Okay, but I need a little bit more information to give it to my partner.
Would you rent it to a flower positive tenant or anti-flower tenant?
No, flower tenant. Come on.
Okay, good.
Some lady who wants to take care of the flowers and stuff. We going to take care of the flowers forever. I promise you. Okay. So look, I'm gonna give my to my partner. I'm gonna give this information. Okay, and he's the one with the numbers. He's the big boss. I just make the calls. Okay, but I need a little bit more information from you. It's okay?
Okay.
Can you give me information? How much is your taxes that you pay every month?
Every year. 1,000.
1,000? Okay.
For the year, yeah.
Okay. And your insurance?
I believe 300 a month.
300. Okay. I don't think this home really need renovations. As you taking a really good care of your home.
I put every single dime of my savings in the flowers, so not the house.
I believe that. You're doing a great.
Yeah, the house needs a lot of work, but the flowers are nice.
And I doing your taxes and your rent. So if let's say if my partner and I offer you cash today, we offer you 180. But how that work for you?
Not good.
You don't think it's good?
No.
I think
I have to see how the flowers think of you, and if the flowers don't like you, I can't sell to you.
You can sell it to me?
No, especially
the flowers.
Flowers told me 200 at the lowest.
We're gonna try our best to match your price. I promise that. I need to talk to my partner. But
okay.
First of all, I'm gonna try to match to do my best.
I'll talk to the flowers too, and I'll let you know what they say.
Okay, we can do that, and we're gonna try to match your price. Because I believe, I don't know if you agree with me that people has 2 or 3 big purchases in their lifetime. Women, we have 2 big purchases. I think when we buy a car and when we buy a house. Okay, when we buy a car, women, we're gonna feel it. We're gonna see it. We're gonna open the door and close it again. We're gonna have the feeling of the car because we're gonna feel good in the car.
What about the flowers?
And when we buy a house, it's the same thing.
Flowers
when we buy a house, excuse me?
Flowers are the 3rd biggest one.
No.
They're the biggest expense of my life.
It's one purchase that you have to know. Look, women have 2 big purchases, a car and a house. Men has 3, a house, a car, and
flowers.
No, it's one specifically that you have to know. Zach, if you don't know this one, Zach,
you're going
to kill me. No.
Flower bed?
No.
Flower pot, soil?
To answer your question, I need to ask you a question. But it's going to be a little bit personal. It's okay? It's okay?
Yeah, what?
Are you married?
I'm married to the flower game.
You're married to the flower game. If you're married, the more important purchase that the man has, the 3rd one is the wedding ring. If the man misses that purchase, if the man that misses the purchase, oh my God, he's gonna hear that forever and ever. But it's just a joke. I just want to make you laugh.
Okay.
But Zach, going back to the numbers, I would love to match your price. It's okay if I talk to my partner. We're gonna talk a little bit more about your property, and it's okay if I give you a call tomorrow with an offer.
Yeah, we'll have a 3-way convo between you, me, and the flowers, and we see what happens.
Okay, perfect. I'm gonna appreciate for you to taking my call, and I will give you a call tomorrow. What time you think is gonna be a good time?
Let's see here. I'm gardening from like 9 to 4. So 4 to 5 is when my flowering break is.
4 to 5? Okay.
Yeah.
Perfect. I will give you to the call. Thank you for taking my call and enjoy your flowers and keep doing a good job.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.
All right, Candy. So,
oh my God,
I was being a crazy seller on purpose. All right. Now, one thing I could let you know is you were trying to sell me way too much.
Okay.
Way too much. When I talk to a seller, it is always, okay, this is a FSBO. Talk about it. You were about 4 or 5 minutes into the conversation before you mentioned, why are you at this price? Way too long. This thing's been listed for 185 days. Why isn't it sold yet? Is there any issues going on the property that I don't know about? You didn't mention that.
Okay.
You know off the bat, I was a little loco. These are Florida people. I'm a Florida guy. Florida people are crazy. You got to understand that. That being said, I was off my rocker on my price. You have to understand if he's so off his rocker about price, you just stop trying to pursue it. Will he take this offer or not?
Okay.
You're just beating a dead bush, beating a dead flower bush. I don't know. But I can tell you, you're trying way too hard on a deal that just wasn't there. And I hate to tell you this, but 95% of FSBOs are like that.
Okay.
They're not worth more than 3 or 4 minutes on the call. And when you watch me do these live, you're going to figure it out. And unless I'm actually willing to budge my price, there's no point. So you're willing to budge my price very well, but I think you spent way too much time with me, and I was obviously never going to take a legit offer on it. And so I think you did okay. Little sales, just too salesy, I think, in my opinion, unfortunately.
Okay.
Just, hey, we're looking to buy some, like, are you looking to sell it? Like, I mean, are you going to move to another place? Like, you didn't ask me that. That's way more important than the 3 big purchases of life.
Okay.
I didn't need to hear that. That felt like a sales. I'm not saying anything, Matt, being mean. I'm just like,
focus. It's okay.
So the one thing, I think the biggest issue with this one was you left the most important process of talking to a seller, which is MCTP.
Okay.
You never asked me M. You don't know why I was looking to sell my house.
Oh yeah, I forgot that.
I was going to give you a full story about if a hurricane hits, I'm going to lose my flowers and I could never do with it. I had that all lined up. You never let me do the joke. It's terrible. You didn't even give me motivation. You did condition, never time frame, and then price you did. So you missed motivation and
I focus on price more, I think, huh?
But you didn't do motivation or time frame.
Okay.
So that's pretty much it. Focus on the MCTP and then go off that price, and you should do well. A little shorter and a little more to the point, but I think overall you're in the right place though.
Okie dokie.
All right, perfect. I appreciate it, Candy. I'm just trying to say it to be nice. Focus on that MCTP. That's it.
No, it's okay. It's okay. It's what I need. It's what I need.
Keep the offer. Use the partner with it. That was great. Okay. Add that with the MCTP. You had a great charm to yourself of building rapport. I was trying to be weird on purpose, obviously, but you still were able to build rapport.
It's okay.
After I was being weird, which is great. Add that because you were very unique to yourself. Keep that going. You'll do well. All right.
Okie dokie. Thank you so much. And thank you for everything you do.
Awesome. Come back on next week and we'll do another one. All right.